Welcome back, LuSHiners. If you joined us for part 1, you've already giggled your way through letting go, anchoring awareness, and floating on mental cloudboats. If you're just joining now, no worries. Each part stands alone like a glorious flamingo of mindfulness. In this episode, we're diving into the next batch of strange but true meditation phrases, and showing you how to make them feel as natural as wearing cozy socks on a rainy day. Let's take a breath together. And away we go. Part 6. Return to the breath. Here we go. You'll hear this one in every meditation ever. It's the mac and cheese of mindfulness. Return to the breath. But returned from where? Were we on vacation? Did we get lost in a daydream about tacos? Exactly. That's the whole point. Your mind wandered, as it always will, and we're gently booping it back. Take a breath. That's it. You returned. You're back in the breath zone. VIP section. If your brain keeps wandering, no problem. That's not failure. That's practice. It's like mental push-ups without the sweat. Part 7. Notice without judgment. Ah, yes, another crowd favorite. Notice without judgment. It means see what's happening in your mind. And don't be a snarky inner critic. It's the difference between, "Oh, I can't believe I'm thinking about pizza again during meditation. What's wrong with me?" and pizza thoughts again. Classic me noted. You see it. You let it be. That's it. Let's try. Notice what you're thinking about right now. Now add a little smile to it. Even if it's weird. Even if it's, what if squirrels ran for president? No judgment. Just notice. With curiosity, with kindness. Part 8. Come back to your body. Sounds like your body was on a vacation to Bermuda. But this one's actually beautiful. Your brain loves to time travel. Past mistakes, future worries. But your body, it's always here, now. Coming back to your body equals reuniting with the only part of you that lives in the present. Feel your feet, wiggle your fingers, stretch like a sleepy cat. You are home, in this body, right now. And your body, it's been waiting for you like a loyal dog, holding a welcome home sign. Part 9. Hold space for yourself. Oh, this one sounds mystical. Like you're summoning an emotional moon circle. But all it really means is, make room for you. Your emotions, your quirks, your moment. Without trying to squish, fix, or fast forward anything. Holding space is like being your own best friend, who just sits beside you and says, "Yeah, this is hard, and I'm here." You don't need a solution. You need presence. You need a big old internal beanbag chair that says, "However I am right now is okay." Let's practice. Take a breath. Now say gently in your mind, "I'm allowed to feel what I feel. I'm allowed to feel what I feel. I'm here for me. I'm here for me." Look at you, holding space like a cosmic emotional butler, dignified, gentle, possibly wearing an imaginary top hat. Part 10. Open your heart. No, we don't mean open heart surgery, and no need to become a Disney princess belting to woodland creatures. This phrase is about softening, letting love, compassion, and courage move in, even if just a tiny bit. When your heart feels like it's in fortress mode, guarded, armored, you don't have to rip the walls down. Just crack a window. Try this. Breathe into your chest. Imagine it glowing gently, like a warm light behind a stained glass window. Say to yourself, "It's safe to soften. It's safe to soften. I can open even just a little. I can open even just a little." Even if you've been through stuff, especially then. An open heart isn't naive. It's brave. It's strong. It's where the good stuff flows in and out. Part 11. Let it be. Nope, not just a Beatles lyric. Though yes, go ahead and hum it if you want. Let it be is the ultimate mic drop of mindfulness. It's the final boss of acceptance. You don't have to fix your thoughts. You don't have to force relaxation. You don't have to win meditation. You just let it be. So, right now, whatever you're feeling, thinking, or being, let it be here, like it belongs. Because it does. You're human, gloriously messy, mysteriously wired, beautifully capable. You've done enough for now. LuSHiners, you made it. You've returned to the breath, opened your heart, and held space like a velvet-voiced wizard of inner peace. So, as we close this final chapter of our quirky meditation phrase, Safari, remember, you don't need to meditate perfectly to benefit deeply. You're allowed to laugh and grow. And you, my dear listener, are already enough. Thanks for sharing this laughter-laced stillness with me. You're a sparkly soul, and the world is lucky to have your weird, wonderful energy. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep breathing like the majestic owl you are. This has been TranquiLush Meditation, where peace meets playfulness.